Hi people, we're at Buzzard Beach. It looks like it's going to pour down with rain. So that's something to excited about when you're at a water park. But we'll see what we can get on before that happens. So today we're at Buzzard Beach. Later on we're going to Magic Kingdom. And we've got pay reservations at Be Our Guest. So that's going to be awesome. We've got a few fast passes, Splash Mountain, Space Mountain, can't remember what the other one is. It's going to be good. And that's the plan, that's all I've got to say. So I'm going to switch it into the waterproof camera. The waterproof, so we don't damage it. So I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear things, so I'm just pre-warning you of that. But we'll go some slides, check out the lazy river, see what else we can find. I'm sure it will be good. So let's go check Buzzard Beach out. Here we go. And I press the wrong button. Hey! Stupid. So stupid. It's lazy river time. It's lazy river time. Everybody knows. It's lazy river time. to the wave pool. Oh, that's singing. There it is, folks. Oh. Back at the hotel, we are back at the hotel. It rained at Blizzard Beach, it rained, it poured, so we left. Because, you know, water parks are not fun in the rain. But it's not to worry because we did everything, I filmed a few bits for you, a few slides, I'm sure you've checked them out by now, so I'm sure during the edits they got put in, so you got to see them, so that's nice. So we did everything really. Only the wave pool we didn't really do, which I bothered about. So we're back, I'm gonna get some food, I'm gonna go around the shop, I'm gonna go for a mosey, little walk over to the mansion side and be a little bit nosy. Might do that, I'll see how I feel. And then of course we got Magic Kingdom tonight, be our guest, some fast passes, some rides, and then tomorrow is a very busy day because tomorrow is the wedding day, the Disney wedding day, so that's going to be fun. And then we're back at Hollywood Studios, so we've got a busy couple of days ahead. So let's go get some food because I am starving. Magic Kingdom now, we've moved on. It's finally warm. We've met celebrities. We've been on Space Mountain. It's been a crazy time so far. We've been here an hour. We met Peter Andre, if you know who he is. We saw him. A bit of a cult hero, is it? Would you say that, Peter Andre? I don't know. Maybe you'd say cult hero. His songs are cult classic. Mysterious Girl, always on in the place we go in Bradford sometimes to drink alcoholic beverages. His song is always on. It's always a fun time. So it was cool seeing him. He's a very nice guy, so that was nice. Middle of Space Mountain, bit of a jerky ride that one, not my favourite time on there I must admit. But we're going to Be Our Guest next, which I'm very excited about. It's going to be, I'm expecting fantastic food and theming and everything. I'm expecting it to be amazing, to be honest. We've got the Incredibles dance party thingamajig happening here. There they are. That's the thing. And then we go Splash Mountain at night. That's always fun. There's another top tip. Today's is the guy's top tip. Go on Splash Mountain at night. Different experience, very fun ride. So we're gonna go half an hour we've got before Be Our Guest. We're just gonna chill out, I think, have a little wander around, and then we're gonna go in the castle. Here we are, ready for Be Our Guest. Something very nice. I'm seeing there all these coins. Tons of coins. What do you think they do with that money? Because surely at some point they clean it out. And Disney definitely do not need any more money. What do you think they do? Who? I also want to know, I want you to, if you know the answer, tell me. Who decided that you should throw money into things with water? Because it happens everywhere, it's not just here, is it? People throw money in water everywhere. Do it in England. Why? Why do we throw money into water? But who made it up? Who created that idea? It's not really for good luck, is it? You're just losing money, so it's bad luck. You lose money. You never get that money back.
Just because you're really tight.
It's just waste money. Tell me who invented it. Tell me why it's water. And tell me if you do it. I do not do it. She does do it. Just weird. And also tell me if you know what Disney does with all this money.
Well, if I could leave it there.
Because I want to.
That's not just built over a day, is it?
It's not built over a day, no, that's quite a ridiculous statement to make. I'm expecting it's built over a year and then they would clean it like most theme parks do. Tell me the answers if you know it, thank you. I will appreciate that.
Is it going to go in?
Is it going to go in? If she misses from here, then good grief, she's got an issue. Wasn't that just awesome? We just lost the quarter. Let's hope we get years of good luck from that. She should now get a lifetime of good luck for throwing a quarter in. So there you go, we've done it now, we've joined the tradition. It was awesome. Let's go eat, come on.
Keep it ready for good enough. The fate of pilots cast. Proceed. Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum!
When you become Jack Sparrow, speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Tell him, fellow, don't be cheated!
Show 'em your larboard side.
What's the ready?
Belay there, you forecastle swab.
What's the ready?
And now, you bilge rats, do I hear 6? Who makes it 6? Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Jack Sparrow's face when he hears tell 'tis only me what's got the goods. Keep still, I'm studying my map. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never hail. Nor this here king neither.
Oh, you feel feisty as you be.
Mosaic on the wall right here. We have our versus correct on the summer castle. Right over here we are restaurants, all we go to the castle. We're now entering the grand ballroom where Belle and the Beans took their first steps at right here in this room. To your right is our study. This is where the master will be. So we're going to take you to the master after dinner. This room has some of Belle's favorite pictures inside of it. Straight ahead is the West Wing with the enchanted rose. Feel free to tour the castle after dinner, okay? Look at whatever you'd like, okay? We'll walk you right to your table. Sorry, we're gonna cut up this hair. I'm sorry, guys.
Castle. Looks like this one's for big groups. That's a very big table, big table, big tables. It's a big groups of people. Loads of different paintings around the wall on this one. It's very nice. We were eating in the Grand Hall and I fully recommend it. It's very, very nice food, very good service. And of course we tried the grey stuff. And of course it was delicious. Because if you know Beauty and the Beast, you know what that means. These are the desserts you can get here. That's the grey stuff. And I got this eclair. And it was very nice. Now we're going to go meet the Beast. Here is a picture of us meeting the Beast. Are you ready? Are you ready? Like magic this. 3, 2, 1. Do you like that? See it? Good. So that wraps up another magical day here at Disney World. We did... Where did I last leave you? Be Our Guest. I last left you. Be Our Guest was brilliant. Really enjoyed that. Then we went to Jungle Cruise, did that at night. That was very fun at night. Then we did Splash Mountain, Fast Pass. We're on the front row. That absolutely soaked. My word. I was drenched. Then we watched.
I handed it to Lori. Then maybe told her to give it to Dad.
Does she have it?
Yeah, she's Lori.
Oh dear.
Lori. She's got it. Somebody.
She's lost her bag with all her stuff in and she's crying. That was very awkward to walk it past. She was crying. Her dad's run after the bus. Laurie, somebody's got it. Has anyone got it? I ain't got it. Have you got it? No. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. It's got a phone and everything in it, I've heard. So anyway, then we saw the parade. Right at the end of the parade it was. It was very good. We got some good interactions. Tinkerbell blew me a kiss, obviously, because you know she loves me. Can't say. No over explanation, really. Then we went to Splash Mountain and got absolutely drenched. Unbelievable. Then we went Thunder Mountain. Wishes were going on. It was a magical place to be. One of the last rides on Thunder Mountain for a while, because it's closing tomorrow. By the time you see this, it'll already be closed. So we bought a present, which isn't actually a present, because a present is something you give to somebody.
Yeah, but it's to myself.
She bought herself a something or other. What is it?
It's a tradition. A Disney tradition.
Disney tradition. If you don't know what these are some like wooden ornaments. Cost a fortune.
They don't cost a fortune. They're not
Some
nice.
more tat for the house.
It's a dopey one.
It's a dopey one to suit
On the mine train.
her character traits. But that's what we did today. Then we left, got on the bus, watched that lady lose her stuff, and now we're going back to sleep because tomorrow is a very busy day. Tomorrow's a very big day. It's the wedding. The day's the wedding day. So it's going to be a very good day. It's going to be a very fun day. It's going to be a very long day. We're also going to Hollywood Studios. Got some fast passes. We're eating at 50's Primetime Cafe. So lots of fun things planned for tomorrow. So that's going to be a good one. But today's been very fun. We've been to Blizzard Beach. We've been to Magic Kingdom. It's rained. It's been sunny. It's been all sorts of things. All sorts of magical things here in Florida. We are going now. I need to be quiet because we're going past everyone's bedrooms and they are sleeping logs, and I'm going to go sleep now too because I'm very tired. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you.